almost there. I'm so tired. This is definitely a day to talk about those bad brain moments. We all have those, and they suck. It's the moments where your thoughts enter this awful cycle, telling you that you can't do this, that you're no good, that you'll never make it, that you're behind, that everybody else is better than you, that maybe you should just give up. All of those nasty thoughts. And they're awful because you can't stop them from coming on those bad brain days. The thing is, you can still choose to move forward in spite of them. Now, I wish there were an easy way to turn them off or to deflect them. I don't know of one. What I do know is that they don't steer the ship. You do. And if you insist and keep in mind the fact that the good brain days will come back, all of these awful thoughts, they'll stop eventually and you'll feel better. You can keep going and remind yourself that they're not true, even if they feel like they are. Creative, the bad brain stuff is not true. You're not behind the way you fear you are. It is not an insurmountable set of odds. You can do this. I'm going to get back to unpacking, but creative, believe me, you absolutely can do this. Your bad brain days are liars. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.